Now that we have our HTML set up, what we need to do is start working on our styles. First thing that I want to do is add in the two fonts that we're going to be using from Google, and the code for that goes at the top of the HTML page. If you see where I've marked in line 9, insert Google fonts here. So in order to find those fonts, we're going to go to google.com/fonts, and this page will open up. One of the fonts that we want is Source Sans Pro. Once that comes up in the search window, just add to collection. And we also want to find Droid Serif and add that to collection. Now we actually have to choose which ones of those fonts we want. So we're going to hit Use, and it will come up with different choices here. We want normal 400 and bold 700. And for the Droid Serif, we want the normal 400, normal 400 italic, and the bold 700. Watch this little gauge over here, and it will tell you how much of impact we're having on load time, because it has to go to Google and get these fonts. So this many fonts, just three, isn't going to make a difference. You don't want too many anyhow. So once I've chosen those, it's going to give me this code that it wants me to put on my web page. So I'm going to just highlight that, copy it, and paste it in my web page. I need to go back. If you need to see how to do it, you can click on See an Example, and it will show you that that's what you're going to do. It's just paste it into the top. When I refer to these two fonts, I'm going to refer to it as Source Sans Pro in quotation marks and Droid Serif. So that's what we're going to call them in our CSS. So I'm just going to copy those, and in my CSS file, I'm going to make a comment. And in that comment, I'm going to put what I'm referring to these fonts as. Okay, so now those fonts are all ready to go, and we can get busy writing the actual styles.